Hello friend, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make green Matar Paratha, which will be very tasty to eat. So while making the parathas, I will show you the ingredients. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, share, comment. So come on, let us start the recipe. First of all, I'm going to boil this. This is half kg piece, half kg. I'll boil this about just for 5-10 minutes. I will cover it up. To make the dough, I am taking 2 bowls of atta. I've taken 2 bowls of atta. This I am going to make the dough by the time the peas are boiling. Put some salt. Put some chili powder. And put little water and start mixing the atta. The dough is ready. I'll keep this aside for 5 to 10 minutes. The peas also are boiled up, soft. Now I'm going to take it out. Now I will mash the peas this way with the help of a glass. I'm mashing the peas. The peas are almost mashed. It's almost mashed. You can see it. Now I will fry this mashed peas. Put some mustard oil. I've cut up 1 onion and 2 green chilies. This I will put it in. Let the onions turn golden brown. Onions are turned golden brown. Put the ginger garlic paste. Put some saffron. Put little bit dhania powder. Put little bit chili powder. And put in the mashed peas. fry the mashed peas with the onions. Put some salt to taste, because already I have put salt in the atta, so I have put little bit salt, not much. I will put slight water, little bit water I have put. Now I'll fry the mashed peas till it's dry. My pea stuffing is ready to make the Matar Paratha. Now I will move this aside and let it turn cold little. Let us make the balls now. I've already made the balls. Now I'm going to roll the balls. This way I will roll the balls. After rolling it like this, I will put the stuffing. Like this, I will put the stuffing. And make the balls again, this type. This type. I will make the balls. With the stuffing, the balls are ready. I have made the balls with the stuffing. Now I'm going to roll this again and then fry it. This way, slowly, I will roll the paratha, the Matar Paratha. You can see. I will repeat this process over and over with all the balls. The pan is gone hot. Now I'm going to fry the paratha. Both sides I will let it cook like this, and then I will put the oil. Now I'll turn this and put some oil and fry it. this way. Both sides the paratha is cooked up well. Now I am going to remove it. Now put the next paratha. This is how I will repeat the process. Pea paratha is ready. Matar paratha is ready. You can see how nice and soft. I will show you. Nice and soft. You can see. You can have it with chutney, tomato chutney, sauce. Put some butter and have it. Thank you for watching my video.